I am going to be showcasing this kit that I got from BeeBeeCrafts. You can find them at BeeBeeCrafts.com. Their craft items are so affordable. They give you free shipping at $25, and you can use coupon code Nicole10 to save 10% off of your purchase. And that includes their sale items, which when they have sales, they have really good sales. So keep an eye out for that. So with this kit, it came in this nice little case. So your storage is all done. You have the bag of bottle caps and you have the bag of glass domes. So here is all the colors that came. This gorgeous mint, purple, white, black, pink, clear, and a light blue. I think these are perfect for your spring if you're doing Maggie homes. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They have the little rhinestones in them already. Super pretty. And then if you have nesting circle dies, you can definitely use that to cut this out. I have a punch here, and the one that works is 3/4 of an inch. And this is just my EK Success little punch right here. So you can use that, or what you can do is you can go ahead, place your little glass dome over the image you want, hold it down, and then with a pin, you could just go ahead and trace it out. So I'm using the little dome to see where I want it. I want it right there. I'm going to go ahead and just do my little circle around my dome. And then I could go ahead and take my scissors and cut that on out. So you can see here is my circle around my little dome here. And then I can just go ahead and cut that out. So you can do it that way, or we're going to be using the punch because for me, I have it and it's just easier. So again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take our little punch here. We're gonna line it up, make sure it's right in that spot where we want it, which right there looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and punch it on out. And then we can go ahead and put it in our dome. So to put in our dome, I like using glossy accents. So I'm going to go ahead and take our pink one. I'm going to go ahead and just swivel down some glue, get it all the way around. Get our little flamingo guy here. Place him right there. There we go. And then I've been touching this one, so I'm going to just go ahead and wipe off my fingerprints. I'm just using my t-shirt right here because that's what I have handy. And then I'm going to make sure that I just hold it along the edge of the dome because I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it. And then you could do the same thing. Just go ahead and put some glue down. Make sure you get it all around like that. And then we're going to go ahead and place our little dome right in there. And then afterwards, I move it around and swish it around because I want to make sure that I don't get any bubbles in there. Because if you do trap an air bubble in there, you will be able to see it. So just go ahead and smush that around. So that's how that looks. Super cute. Now, if you have metal bails or clear bails, you can definitely glue that to the back right here and then have it be a charm. So if you're going to be gluing a bail to the back, I would recommend using the clear Gorilla Glue. You can get this at Walmart or Amazon. So there is our little embellishment piece. I'm going to close all of this off right here. The other way you can use it is to decorate a rosette. So we're going to do this one right here. And let's see if I want to use this pink background or I have these hearts. I think I'm going to go with the hearts. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take my paper punch. That looks about good there. We're going to pop that out. And we're going to kind of just do the same steps again, but a little bit different. Instead of using the glass domes, I'm going to show you another way to go ahead and use these. So again, I'm going to be taking my glossy accents. I'm going to put glue down in the bottom here. I'm going to put my paper. Now on this one, I want to make sure that I center that nicely because the pink is a different color than the green. So you're going to be able to see if it is not centered. So I got that nice and centered there. I'll put my glue cap back on here. And then with this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my foam dots and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place one right with this, so we can make this look 3D, our little rainbow. So I'm gonna just put a little dollop of glue there. Put that on the back of my little rainbow. So I'm gonna have that fall right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my other backing here. Put my little dollop of glue there. Then we're going to go ahead and glue this right on. Just like that. So now we have like a 3D little layer. I think that comes out really, really cute. So you see, you can use it many different ways. I like both personally. I like the little glass stone because it does like magnify it. So the flamingo looks a lot larger. And then this way it just gives it, you know, that layered look. I just think it's really pretty. And then since I have those colored pop-up little dots, squares, I think that just adds an extra little cuteness of layering there. And then, like I said, you can use these on rosettes, which we're going to go ahead and glue right down right here. So we're going to add some glue to our rosette there. Place this right in the middle, and we're just going to hold that for a few seconds so we can make sure it goes ahead and it sticks there. And then look at how cute that is. It just gives it an extra little pizzazz to our little rosette. I think that comes out so stinking cute. I just love it. It just adds more layer. Like, look at how chunky this is, because you have the little pocket, the rosette, you have that gorgeous little bottle cap, and our little layered piece. We could have even used this one. See how pretty? That's really pretty. So there is how we go ahead and we use these little bottle caps. Like I said, you can also make them into a charm, which I have done before in the past, and they come out so cute. And the best part is that you get this little case. I love that most of their items come with their own storage case, so you don't have to think about what you're going to do with it and how you're going to store it. And then even with this one, since it's not done drying, I could go ahead and stick it in here, and I know it'll be nice and protected in there as well. So that's our little tutorial for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope everything is going well for you guys. I think I kind of want to glue like a little gemmy here. What do you guys think? Let's just go ahead and add a little something right there. We'll glue a little gemmy. Let's see, maybe a little white one. Maybe this way. And I think I like it down at the bottom. So we'll glue this guy in there. See how just adding a couple more little things just really make your projects pop. So cute. Love that. All right, you guys, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm always more than happy to help you guys out. And happy crafting. Bye, guys.